Bonjour, Nimin Mijikan Kwe Dijnakas Mijikan Dodam, Nishabe Kwe Minwa Lene Lanape and Gal, Amtrang Midwam Daski Dujwa, Nobo Juaning Megwa Doda. Good morning, everyone. My name is Liz Stone, and I'm the Indigenous Knowledge Leader here at Fleming College. And it's my pleasure to welcome you all at all of the campuses today to our open house and acknowledge that Fleming College's campuses sit on the traditional territory of the Michi-Sagi people. And the Michi-Sagig people have been here and the stewards of this land since time immemorial. The Fleming College acknowledges that the relationship that we have with the Indigenous people of this territory is one of reciprocity, one of learning, one of teaching, and are very thankful that we have that relationship and commit to continuing, maintaining, and building new respectful relationships in all that we do. So welcome to the open house. And with that, I'd like to introduce Kelly Marshall, who's going to be opening us up with Jingle Dress Dance.